Welcome to this first video in how to track, not watch, what your students are doing. So in this video we're going to look at how students can submit work to you, and the first way is going to be through asking them a question. Obviously first I have to access my class. Once I'm in, I can now set as classwork a question. I'm going to find that by pressing on this Create tab up here, and that gives me the option to ask the students a question. I can ask them whatever I want. I can give them any instructions. It really helps to be as specific as you can with what you want students to do, because then it's going to be easy for students themselves to compare answers when they see it, and also for you. The advantage of this, of course, is I can also guide them to vocabulary that I know includes particular grade ideas, so that my students are really going to struggle to get a low grade. I've already set instructions which will prevent that. And the other thing I might do is put in a word limit. Obviously, you can choose much shorter questions than that, but I think there's a better way of looking at shorter answers. This particular method, setting a question, favours longer answers. You have an option of deciding whether students can reply to each other or not. Probably in the first instance you want to make sure that the class can't interfere with each other, so you might uncheck that. Or at a later stage you might want them to comment on 3 or 4 of the answers, in which case you will enable that. You will allow them to edit it if you want them to change an answer after you've read it. Once you've set the question, you can go back to your stream, click on it, or you can access it from classwork. Click on it and then see who's turned it in and view the answers. The clear advantage of this is that you can also share your screen, so not only are you able to give immediate feedback to particular answers, you're able to give that feedback to the whole class. It becomes part of your teaching. Or you can just scroll through what students have written to decide on next steps for the whole class.